it's out of control. I'm telling you, nobody's safe. I've been living my life limbo. My ice, it came with a train. I'm so high, gotta have my face. This not a rockstar phase. I'm an emo, thug in my face. 0, 0, 0, 0. Tell her to go chase. Monkey nuts, hold me, baby. I got on 2 chains. Rolling on the block and I make motherfucking fame. Spin on the block, have a pussy nigga stay. I just put on my boots, I ain't worried about no rank. Put a nigga down, channel 2, front page. You was just asking for some change, now you change. Yeah, I told you, yeah, about that money shit is strange. Fully loaded jacket, hold up, baby, Jordan paid. I put duct tape on my switch, perfect aim. They can't put me no job, baby, because I changed the game. We fucking on the same hoe, but we not the same. Disrespect the 5, I put your ass in the food chain. Swamp, calling my phone, she said Miss Jackson, going through her brain. Carti. We was just outside dancing, moving our Miley, feeling the same. He's coming. Fuck, the bitch so nasty, we go Sephora, then we go pink. She not so fucking toxic, and she care about what I think. She's nothing like no other bitch, she care about what I drink. I think she's a fling. I think she's a playmaker, she should be on my team. She should get her a ring. Shit, it can't be me, but she can be on the team. Diamonds that come out the water, my side that come with a ring. The Wraith came with the chauffeur ready to take me.
I am the music!